of seafood available in our sea, and we call any fish which is available is fruit of the sea, which is, we are really fortunate people Goans. We get different types of fish available in our sea. If you go to the villages coastal line, all the, you will find the fishermen, our local fishermen, they put the nets up every zorgot we called. Every low tide they put it, net, and with the digging of bamboo. When there's a low tide, they put that net, say about 200 meters, 150 meters long. And when the high tide comes, all the water gets full with that level. They pull the net up and tie to the bamboos all. The whatever fish has come to the in the net, in the water, high tide, where they cover up the net, the fish can't go down. So they come to the close to the net and goes back, come to that net and goes back. By the time water goes down, pulled down, the fish gets stuck up, and when the water completely dried up, the fishermen, they go and catch the fish. And you will find different varieties of fish like mullets, sea bass, red snapers, black pearl, it's called kalandar, catfish, kitefish, ray fish, different types of fish available. I am very fond of seafood. That's why I prepared that. I prepare always fresh. I go and buy it from there and come and at home prepare the dish of that fish. So I am going to prepare one of the recipe of this fish, and I'll see you in the kitchen. Hello everybody. Welcome to my kitchen for the new episode. Today I am going to prepare a peixe recheado com tempero verde. Stuff whole fish filled with green masala. This is the fish which I am going to use it. This is called red snapper. In all Konkani we say tamuso. You have to remove the scales from top. I have already removed the scales from top. Now you just cut the tons of it. After cutting the and cleaning the tons, take a sharp knife and slit it. Now there is a backbone of it. Both sides you have to slit it, like how you make the fillet fish fillet. Remove the middle bone. Now what you do, just turn it, break the bone, pull it out. And remove the all inside intestine and everything out, and clean it well. Now you just wash it well. Now remove the bone and wash it well. You just take the rock salt or salt, 1 teaspoon, and just apply to it. Just put the salt in it. Now you take the lemon and keep for some time. Now what you have to do it for stuffing, you have to make a green spice chutney or green masala, you can say. Now I'll take say 1 number chili. If you want to make it spicy more, you add more chilies. If you don't want to make it spicy, use only 1 chili. Say 2 tablespoons of coriander, 2 cloves garlic, little bit of ginger, half inches of ginger, 2 tablespoons of coconut, little bit of cumin seeds, 3-4 peppercorn, 2-3 cloves, 2-3 green cardamom, and if you want, you can add little bit of cinnamon stick to it, little bit of tamarind. You have to put in a mixer or blender. and you have to grind it till it becomes a fine paste. You have to grind till it becomes like this paste. It should not be watery, it should be little thick, so that masala should penetrate inside in the fish. By the time I'll keep the frying pan on fire with little olive oil. I'll take the fish, I'll take the green masala and stuff it. You can apply it at on the skin also a little bit, so that you get a good flavor. And put olive oil on top. Now what you do, you take one banana leaves, just put a little olive oil, so that fish should not get stuck skin to the leaves. And put a fish in banana leaves. And try to seal it as much you can. Pack it well and put little olive oil on top of the leaves. After wrapping the leaves, you just take the fish and put it in the frying pan and cover it. It will take little time, about 20 minutes to cook. Now fish is almost cooked. Say you can cook this fish, you can bake it also in an oven, preheat oven, say about 200 degrees centigrade to 400 degree Fahrenheit. And you can bake it for 30 minutes, 32 to 40 minutes, not more than that. And the fish is ready. So I am going to remove it in the dish. Put a sauce on top of it, so that it looks very fresh. You have to serve it with the salad. I made a salad of cabbage and bell peppers. Now what I'll do, I'll just cut the tomato. On the side, I'll just turn the tomato skin. I'll take lime. Fish is ready. It's very easy to prepare it. Only thing, you have to debone it and bake it in the oven if you can. Please try it at home and give me the comments, and try to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.